بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. We are approaching Thanksgiving weekend, in which you will be bombarded with so much advertisements so that you can buy and consume and purchase more things, all under one concept, that you are going to get a great value. You're going to get a great value. How? You're going to buy something expensive with less money, which means your money will go longer and buy more, which means with less money you can get more products. SubhanAllah, there are, advertisers, they're kind of preying on human nature. We always want value, value, value. Can I do less and get more? We have to realize that we think like that because we realize we have limited time, we have limited energy, and we have limited wealth, and we have a limited mind. So, with a limited time, we want to do more. With a limited energy, we want to do more. With a limited money, we want to do more. So how does Allah compensate for our limitations? There is a concept in our deen that Allah keeps on attracting us with. What's that concept? Called Barakah. What is Barakah? Value. Okay. Every time Allah Azza wa Jal chooses something and blesses it, Allah uses the word Barakah with it. So amongst places, Allah chose Mecca, Al-Ka'b al-Musharraf, Al-Masjid al-Aqsa, and Masjid al-Nabi sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Look what word Allah uses. Inna awwala baytin wudi'a lin-nas lalladhi bi Bakkata mubarakan wa hudan lil-alamin. This first house for Allah put on earth is the one in Mecca, Mubarak. Translation in the Hadith. You pray one salah equals to 100,000 salah. What do you call that? Value. You with less, you are getting more. So this is very important. By the way, I did with the brothers the other day a calculation. We said, let's say if you live on average, I don't know, from 60 years, and we went on the calculator on the phone, and we said, okay, 5 times a day times 365 times what, 60 or 55, you come up with 109,000. Your entire salah, if you pray 5 times a day for 60 years, because you lived 75. First 15 years, or 70 years, let's say. 10 years you didn't pray regularly, then you started. How many salah you have prayed? 100,000 salah plus 110. You pray one salah in Mecca, it equals the entire salah you prayed in your entire life. Subhanallah. So now what do you have? One salah in Mecca, you have your lifetime plus another lifetime. Right. Huh? You pray 2 salah, you have your lifetime plus another lifetime plus another lifetime in reward, because you're limited in time. What word did Allah use with the Masjid al-Aqsa? Also, الَّذِي بَارَكْنَا حَوْلَهُ وَالْأَرْضِ الَّتِي بَارَكْنَا فِيهَا. In its the barakah, around it barakah. There is a hadith that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one of the riwayat, salah in a Masjid al-Aqsa or in my masjid equal 50,000 salah. Allah. Another hadith says 1,000, and in Masjid al-Aqsa 500. The ulama said, inshallah, the 50,000 is good too. We want more, not less. And they say the 1,000 fit in the 50,000, so inshallah they're both. No contradiction in between them. Now, Allah Azza wa Jal chose from amongst times, other times, and put blessing in it. Value. What they're bombarding you for the next, God knows, 1 week, you're going to be bombarded. Allah Azza wa Jal give you a different way. You don't pay any money, you just pay your niyyah and ikhlas. مثلا ليلة القدر خير من ألف شهر. What do you call that? Value. What did Allah call Laylat al-Qadr in the other surah? إِنَّا أَنزَلْنَاهُ فِي لَيْلَةٍ مُبَارَكَةٍ. We're back to the word Barakah. لَيْلَةٍ خَيْرٌ مِنْ أَلْفِ شَهْرٍ. You divide 1,000, you take your calculator, you do 1,000 months divided on 12 months, so that we see how many years. 83.3333. 83.3333. One night is better than your whole lifetime, not equal to. You know the signs we learned in middle school, bigger than, smaller than, equal to. This one says bigger than, خير من, bigger than ألف شهر, more than 1,000 months. So let's say you live your entire lifetime, and then what happened? You ended up with one Laylatul Qadr, you witnessed it. So now you meet Allah with your lifetime of ibadah plus another lifetime of ibadah, as if you served 2 lifetimes. Add to that one salah, as if you prayed another in Masjid in Kaaba, and this you prayed another lifetime. What is Allah doing with us? You live a short time, and Allah makes it as if you lived thousands of years. Not 100, or not 100, as if you go to, how many times you went to Umrah, you went to Hajj, and you went to Masjid al-Aqsa, and you went to Medina. How many times, inshaAllah, you witness Laylatul Qadr, right? What is that? That is called value in the time and value in the place. Also, today's Monday evening, okay? Interesting. Rasulullah ﷺ born on Monday, received the revelation on Monday, Isra wal Mi'raj on Monday, Hijrah from Mecca to Medina on Monday, death of Rasulullah on Monday. There is something on Monday. And look at the week. Friday, Eid and Yom Mubarak, and then Saturday, Sunday break. Monday you pick up again. Tuesday, Wednesday break. Thursday you can fast and pick up again. And Friday, now you are back again into Friday. Even in the week, Allah gives you up, down, and then up, and charges you, so that Allah blesses your Mondays. So Rasulullah ﷺ wanted to double on the blessing, so he fasted on Monday. So now you're getting more reward and more hasanat on that day. So every time they try to prey on your nafs, buy this, buy that, buy this, remember that Allah Azza wa Jal, ما عندكم ينفد وما عند الله باق. What you have will run away, and what is. So inshallah we make it short and sweet, otherwise it will become long. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله. جزاكم الله. Giving me the chance. So Brother Zakaria made me make it like that. And my voice is gone. I've been talking continuously for 4 days, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So today, you know the rule. إذا حضر الماء فقد. You are the man and we are the rock. So alhamdulillah.